everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a cleaning haul. I've never done one of these before and I thought it would be a really nice idea because I needed to stock up on my cleaning products because they all seem to run out at the same time. So I thought I would show you what I bought today. Also, this video is a collaboration with my friend Carly. Carly I have been following over on Instagram for such a long time now, and she also has a YouTube channel. So I'm going to share with you what I've bought today, and she's also going to share with you what she's bought on her YouTube channel. If you like cleaning videos, homeware hauls, organisation videos, then you're absolutely going to love Carly because she does all of that and more. She's so sweet and she puts a lot of effort into all of her videos, so I know you're going to love her. She's also got 2 children and a really beautiful home as well, so make sure you go check her out after this. But yeah, if you want to see what I bought, just keep watching. I just wanted to say before I start this video, I haven't got the individual prices because I haven't got the receipt, but overall I spent £30 on all of these products. So. Sorry, I just had to move the camera then. It keeps like falling down. It's not in the best position. It's literally like propped up against the window. So yeah, hopefully you can see me all right. But yeah, should we get into the video, what I bought? I'll go into what I bought from Poundland first. Actually, is this all from Poundland? I don't even know. I think it's all from Poundland. So I've got a bag of bits from Poundland, and then I also went to Home Bargains as well. So I'll show you what I bought from both. So first of all, we got some scourers. I didn't actually pick these up. Mark picked these up. I don't know what he wants them for, but he's obviously got a use for them. So yeah, scourers. I then picked up some Dettol floor wipes. These are the Power and Fresh Antibacterial Multi-Action Floor Wipes, and I think they're like an sparkling lemon and lime scent, and you get 15 wipes. 15 is not that many, but I was thinking that I'm going to use these in my bathroom upstairs because I usually will use my spray mop in the bathroom. I'll do like a quick hoover in there and then use the spray mop, but because it's such a small room, I just thought maybe I'll get something like this because it might be a little bit quicker when I'm already upstairs. I've got my little bathroom cleaning caddy up there. I just thought if I pop this in there, it would just be a good quick clean. So I got these because I've seen quite a few people use these floor wipes in their bathrooms as well, and they look really good. So I thought these would be really good for me. I'll let you know how I get on. I then went into Home Bargains. I think this is where I found them, and there was 36 wipes for cheaper. I don't know why. I actually forgot that I had bought the other ones in Poundland. I thought I'd pick them up and then put them down, but obviously I didn't. So I got these ones as well. These are a lavender scent, and they're 36 wipes in there, and I believe these were cheaper as well. So we'll give them both a little try. These are by Mr. Valet. And they're antibacterial floor wipes in the scent lavender, and I think I might prefer the lavender scent, so we'll have a little look and see how those are. Next, I bought another item for the bathroom. This is Cif Power and Shine, and this is a bathroom mousse in the scent citrus. I used the Cif cream in the bathroom and I just ran out of it. Well, I've got a little bit left, and I thought I would pick this one up and see how this is because I thought it's a mousse, it might be a little bit quicker and easier to spray, and yeah, I thought I would give it a little whirl, so we'll see how that goes. It says 2 times more coverage, so it might be a little bit easier to use, and it gets rid of soap, scum and daily dirt removal. Brilliant result. I just thought I would pick up a few new products because I follow a lot of cleaning accounts on Instagram, and I'm always getting little tips and tricks, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I should buy that, and I write it all down so when I go shopping I know to buy them. This was actually another recommendation on Instagram. I believe her account's Lindsay, Queen of Clean, and she uses this in her bath. It's lavender and orange oil is the scent. Let me smell it because I haven't smelt it yet. Yeah, it's weird, like the combination of the lavender and the orange. But yeah, this looks good. I love the bottle. I don't know why. Not that the packaging even matters. This is a disinfectant liquid, kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. And basically what she does with this is she would do like a Dettol bath. So when she's cleaning her bath, she will put a few capsules of this in there and put the water in there and then just let it soak for a little while, and apparently that just gets up all the extra dirt and grime that you can't usually pick up. So I'm going to try that out and see how it goes. You can use it for so many other things as well, so yeah, we'll see how that one goes. I picked up some more Zaflora because I always use Zaflora. I use it every day, and this is the linen fresh one. This is my favourite scent. I also picked up some Dishmatics little refills because I get through these really quickly, so I got some of those. And then I picked these up. These are not really for the home, these are for my glasses, and someone actually recommended this to me on my recent favourites video because they said that my glasses always get so dirty and I can never clean them properly, and she recommended these little wipes from Poundland. So these are lens cleaning wipes, and they're individually packed, so you can just pop them in your bag if you need to, which is really handy, and they just come like that. How good's that? I can't wait to actually try those. So that's what I picked up from Poundland. I've now got a bucket of things here. Now, the bucket, I'll show you in a minute what the bucket looks like, but I picked this up. This is by Star Drops. Now, this is a window and glass cleaner. I always use this random window and glass cleaner, and everyone asks me where it's from, and my mum bought it for me, so I don't even know where she got it from. It's from like a wholesaler's, and I thought I would get something that everyone else would be able to buy as well, and I wanted to try something new. So this is a Star Drops window and glass cleaner. I wanted to try Star Drops because I've heard quite a lot about this brand. They do have like a vinegar spray thing as well, but I really hate the smell of vinegar, don't you? I know it's really good for cleaning and stuff, and I know it doesn't last that long, but I just don't like the smell of it. So I went for this one instead, and this is really good actually. I've tried it already and it was fab. I also picked these up, and they smell so good. Oh my god, they're the Comfort Intense Fresh Sky tumble dryer sheets. I'd run out of tumble dryer sheet. I know not everyone likes using them, and I don't actually use tumble dryer that often at the moment because the weather's been so good. I've been hanging the washing outside, and also when I did my garden video, a few people were like, where is your washing line? And I forgot to show you, it's actually up on my wall because we bought a retractable washing line, and oh my god guys, it's so good. So yeah, definitely get a retractable washing line if you are, you know, if you haven't got much space or don't want to put like one of those massive ones out in the garden. So yeah, the retractable washing line is fab, and it's got like 2 lines so I can bring it all the way across the garden. These are more for just like, you know, if we've got like a cold wet day. It has been a bit iffy, the weather recently, so I thought I would get some of these in case I'm going to do the washing inside and dry it all inside. And these are so good because they're the intense ones. They're just so strong. You get 20 sheets in here and you only need 1 sheet. Oh, they smell so good. I just love my washing to smell as good as possible, so yeah, these are good. Oh my god, is that a wasp? So many wasps around at the moment. I got a couple of bits for the toilet. I picked up this blue toilet cleaner. Now, I'm not sure if this is the one that Carly uses, but she absolutely raves about blue products, so I thought I'd pick it up, and it's pink, my favourite colour. So this is a blue toilet cleaner in Sweet Tulip, and it kills 99% of germs and removes a lime scale. So I've got some of that. I also picked this bleach up, and it's the Bleach White and Shine Original by Harpic, and it's got baking soda for ultimate shine. So I'm really excited to use that one. Again, I think Carly actually bought this the other day and was using it in her videos, and I was like, oh my god, I bought that for the haul, and she really liked it. So yeah, we'll see how that one goes as well. I picked up some bin liners for my little pedal bins that I've got dotted around the house. I've got them in like the toilet, in my dressing room, and I needed to pick up some more of these because I did have some and I misplaced them. I can't find them anywhere, so I thought I would stock up on those. You just get 40 in there. The next item we have here is one of these. This is actually not for me, it's for Mark, and he wanted to use it to clean the car wheels, and it is a long handle dip and wash brush. I think it's to clean the whole car, I'm not really sure. This is again from Home Bargains. That's why he's got the bucket there, because he needed a new bucket as well. So I bought some Comfort Intense Fresh Sky. This is the what is this, fabric softener, something or other, fabric conditioner. Yeah, I loved the smell of this as well. 64 washes in here, so I was going to pick up another one which was in a bigger bottle, but it only had 30 odd washes, and this had 64, so I think this one was on offer. I picked it up. I just buy whatever's on offer really, so I'm not really like loyal to anything particular when it comes to fabric softener, but I liked the smell of this, and I always go for the same kind of scents. And then finally I picked this up by Dr. Beckman, and it's a carpet and stain remover. Now this again looks really good. I've seen this again on cleaning accounts on Instagram, and it looks fab, and I love that you get this little brush and like sponge so you can like clean the floor with it. So yeah, it says for carpets and soft furnishings in the home and car, and it works eliminating tough stains and odours, and it's oxy powered, neutralises odours including pets. So you can use this if you've got pets as well. And yeah, again, I've seen it all over Instagram, so I thought I would pick it up. Instagram made me buy it. Then I picked up some more Zaflora, and this, I think this is literally like £1, guys. So it's pink grapefruit scent. Again, really love this scent. It's so nice. And yeah, basically that is all I got. So we got this bucket as well. I also quickly wanted to show you a sponge that I bought. I actually bought loads of them, and I also bought like a little caddy thing that you can put them on, but they're all downstairs and we've got guests downstairs, so I didn't want to disturb them. But it's this, and it's called a Scrub Daddy. Again, Instagram made me buy this, but guys, it's so cute, isn't it? So basically this is the one that goes in my bathroom, and I've been using this to clean my bath, and basically like it's quite hard now, if you, as you can see, like if I push it, it's quite hard to push down. But if you use this in hot water, it will get really soft, and then if you use it in cold water, it stays hard. So you can use it for loads of different things. It dries really quickly as well, which, you know, with some sponges, they just really hold on to the water no matter how you put them, and this dries really quick, and it doesn't like smell or anything. It's so good. You can get them for your kitchen, you can use them in your bathroom. They've got loads of different colours, so you can kind of colour code them around the house, and yeah, I love them. I ordered about, I can't remember how many I ordered now. I've got about 7 sponges and the little caddy, so I can put it inside my sink and then just keep it in there like that, and it was around £20 for all of that. They always have offers on. I bought it straight from the website Scrub Daddy. I don't know if it's called scrubdaddy.com. If you just Google Scrub Daddy, their website will come up on Google. But yeah, really cool. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I don't use it for like cleaning the dishes or anything, but you could use it to use your, like on your pans and stuff like that. But I just find it a little bit too big for the dishes. So what I've been using this for in the kitchen is to clean my sink, and it's really good at cleaning the sink area. I really like it. I just need to use it a little bit more before I give you my full kind of review on it, because it's quite new to me, but I'm loving it in the bathroom. I've got blue ones for the bathroom. I use an orange one in the kitchen, but they've got loads of different colours, and I'm really loving that. It's actually American, so it's America's favourite sponge, a next generation sponge, a terrific helper for all kinds of cleaning tasks. So basically it's got a unique like flexy texture. They don't smell, they're scratch free, and they also like rinse clean. So yeah, I just thought it was good. Looks cute, doesn't it? So I thought I would give it a little try. They do loads of other different products, and I think you can also buy them off of Amazon if you buy off of Amazon regularly. That's my little impulse purchase that I found on Instagram, but I am really enjoying using it. But yeah guys, that is basically the end of my haul. Sorry if it's a bit random, but yeah, I enjoyed doing this video for you. I will film a cleaning favourites for you all very soon as well, because I know you want to see that. But yeah, make sure you go check out Carly's video once you've watched this, and I hope you really enjoyed our cleaning hauls. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and if you're here from Carly's channel, then welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy my videos. Thanks guys, I'll see you soon.